Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 21 September 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 11. Okay, and the name of the chapter is Nature Gift to Us. Nature's gift to us. Okay, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we are completed the book exercises of the chapter, and after that we started the question answer, short question answer. So first two questions we have already completed, that is which soil is best for growing crops. This question we have completed. And question number 2, from where do we get minerals? So these two questions we have completed in our classwork copy. Now today video we will start with question number 3. Question have short answers. Question number 3. What are forests? So what are forests? This we have already discussed. What are forests? The nature grows lot of trees and plant in some areas. These are called forest. ठीक है, nature grow many tree and plant in some area and these are called forest. Okay, and as we know that these forests are very important for us also, and especially for the animals also, because these forests are the natural homes of the animals. Okay, so note down the answer. Nature grows lots of trees and plants in some areas these are called forests. These are called forest. Okay, now you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of this question, student. So very good board. The surface is very smooth of this board. बहुत smooth surface है इसका board का. Now, why are the northern plains of India called the food bowl? Why are the question number G? Question number G. Okay. Question number G. Okay. Write detailed answer. Write detailed answer. Question 1. Why are the northern plains of India why are the northern plains of India called the food bowl? So student, let us discuss the answer, then we will note down the answer. So northern plains have a very fertile soil that is known as alluvial soil, and this soil is brought by the rivers. And which river? That is the mountain rivers, because these mountain rivers origin from this mountain due to the melting of the glaciers. So from when the river comes from the mountain, at that time the flow of the river is very fast. So with the water they also bring rock sediments, and you can say soil of a mountain, that is also known as a silt soil. So these contain lot of minerals are present in these soils. ठीक है? And when these come in the northern plain, जब northern plains में ये mountains rivers आती हैं तो उस समय इनका फ्लो क्या हो जाता है? स्लो हो जाता है. जब माउंटेन्स पे इनका फ्लो क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा तेज होता है. लेकिन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में आते आते इन रिवर्स का फ्लो क्या हो जाता है बेटा? स्लो हो जाता है. तो जो अपने संग वो रॉक सेडिमेंट्स और पहाड़ों की जो मिट्टी जिसको सिल्ट सॉइल कहते हैं, एल्यूवियल सॉइल, तो ये क्या करती हैं? इन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स को में इनको क्या कर रही हैं? डिपॉजिट कर दे रही हैं. तो डैट इज़ द रीज़न नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स की जो सॉइल है बहुत ही ज़्यादा फर्टाइल है. एंड पूरे इंडिया को हम कंसीडर करें तो पूरे इंडिया में इतना राइस और व्हीट नहीं होता होगा जितना नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में होता है. दैट इज़ द रीज़न दे आर नोन एज द food bowl of the country. So note down answer. The northern plains have alluvial fertile soil many crops grow here. The river Ganga flows here. So it is also called the बाउल okay. The northern plains are alluvial fertile soil. Many crops grow here. River Ganga flow here, so it is also called the food bowl of India. Is it clear? Next question. Second question is, what is alluvial soil? How it is formed? What is alluvial? How it is formed? So note down the answer. Many river flows from the Himalayas. Okay, they carry the fertile soil called it alluvial soil. This soil is formed due to the deposit of sediments which are brought down by the flowing rivers. So many rivers flow from the Himalayas they carry the fertile soil called alluvial soil. This soil is formed due to the deposit of sediments which are brought down by the flowing river. So note down. You can take a screenshot also. Next question. Why? Question 3. Why and how? Why and how can we conserve our resources? So note down the answer. We can conserve our resources by use the natural resources carefully. Don't waste water. Stop soil erosion. Do not cut the forest. Okay. Do not cut forest. Plant more tree. Do not waste paper. Avoid air and water pollution. Protect wildlife. So note down the answer. We conserve natural resources by first point use the natural resources carefully. Second, don't waste water. Third, stop soil erosion. Fourth, do not cut trees. Fifth, plants more trees. Sixth, do not waste paper. Seventh, avoid air and water pollution. Eighth is the protect wildlife. Okay, so these are the points. Why and how can we conserve our resources? So we conserve natural resources by use the natural resources carefully. Okay, don't waste water. Stop soil erosion. Do not cut trees. Plants more trees. Do not waste paper. Avoid air and water pollution. Protect wildlife. Okay. Okay, thank you, student.